If you still don't know what Web3 is, you are already falling behind. This isn't some nerd tech, this is the next version of the internet. And it's about one simple thing, which is called power. So Web1 gave you information, Web2 gave you connection, and Web3 gives you ownership. Let me explain. Web1 was the beginning. Basic websites, you read stuff and that's it. You were a viewer, nothing more. Web2 brought platforms like Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. You could post, create and share now, but here is the catch. You don't own anything. Your content, they own it. Your followers, they own them. You mess up once, boom, deleted, cancelled and you are gone. That's Web2. You create the value and they collect the money. Now comes Web3, and this is very interesting. The internet that pays you back. Web3 uses blockchain, something that I explained in one of my previous videos, which means instead of giving power to corporations, it gives it to you. Your money, it's yours. No bank needed. Your data, protected, not harvested. Your content, fully owned by you. Your digital identity, controlled by you, not some Silicon Valley nerd. You earn, trade and build, all without asking for permission. That's Web3. It's so freaking cool. Let me break it down like this. Web3 is the first time in history where a random guy with a phone and some knowledge can become a global player without permission from anyone. That's terrifying to governments, to big tech and old money. Because suddenly, the power isn't centralized anymore. It's spread, and that means you can win. But only if you understand the game. And if you think this is all hype, cool. That's exactly what people said about the internet in 1999. But what happens now? The ones who learned early, they own everything. You want freedom, you want wealth, you want control, then stop scrolling and start studying, because Web3 isn't coming. It's already here.